Introducing LG InstaView Door-in-Door Refrigerator, bringing distinctive styling and innovation to your kitchen with a tinted glass panel that allows you to see inside the easy access door without letting the cold air out. Refrigerators are opened a lot, letting cold air out every time. You can simply knock twice on the tinted glass to illuminate the compartment for access to your favorites. Now you can find your favorites before opening the door of your refrigerator. The innovative transparent window on the InstaView Door-in-Door enables you to check on the items stored inside without opening the door with 2 simple knocks. Easy to find and access to your favorites. Because LG InstaView Door-in-Door allows you to see inside without opening the door, you can reduce cold air loss. See inside without losing your cool. Energy consumption rate is an important factor when purchasing a refrigerator. LG's own inverter linear compressor saves more energy by adapting efficiency engineering mechanism. A world-renowned testing organization, VDE, certified the 20-year lifespan of LG's inverter linear compressor. 20-year reliability, 20-year peace of mind. With LG SmartThink, you can control and diagnose your refrigerator with your smartphone, even when you're not at home. We added smart features to your refrigerator appropriate for your smart home. Easily set the refrigerator temperature and diagnose your refrigerator with a simple touch on your smartphone. No durability worries, thanks to test-certified InstaView. The argon gas-filled, triple-pane tinted, and UV-resistant tempered glass door offers industry-leading insulation, protection, and durability. Knock twice. See inside without losing your cool. LG InstaView Door-in-Door.